please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
On the surface, your pool is a beautiful place to lay back and soak in the serenity. But go below, and the bottom of your pool can be a wasteland of dirt and debris, thanks to harsh weather, falling leaves, and whatever nature might dish out. That's where Pentair's new Racer LS Pressure Side In-Ground Pool Cleaner goes to work. With quad-jet vacuum technology, Racer LS delivers 25% more cleaning power than any other cleaner in its class. Go a little deeper, and the Racer LS has a 40% larger vacuum intake that inhales everything in its path. From pebbles and leaves to dirt and twigs, the amazing Cyclone action makes a clean sweep of it all. And with front-wheel drive steady grip traction, Racer LS has the maneuverability you need for more complete floor-to-tile cleaning coverage, so you can spend more time loving your backyard oasis. Well, the Racer LS does all the dirty work. Ask your pool dealer about the new level of cleaning from Racer LS, powered by Pentair.
Thanks for watching.